In this video, we're going to walk you through the process of setting up custom domains in ShopWired. If you're ready to elevate your e-commerce website with a professional, personalized touch, stick with me till the end, because I'll also share an exclusive offer for the software, along with some alternatives that might better suit your needs. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your ShopWired account. Once you're in, head over to the settings section where you'll find an option for domains. This is where the magic happens. Now, if you already have a domain, you'll be able to connect it directly to your ShopWired store. But if you don't, no worries, you can buy one directly through ShopWired or use a third-party domain provider. Next thing, after clicking on Domains, you'll be prompted to enter your custom domain name. Here's where you need to ensure that the domain you're using is pointed at ShopWired servers. If you're using a third-party domain provider, you'll need to set up your DNS settings. This means pointing the A record to ShopWired's IP address. This part can be tricky for some, but don't worry, most domain providers have a step-by-step guide on how to do this. The fourth thing is to verify the connection. Once you've set up your domain or adjusted the DNS settings, ShopWired will automatically check if everything is correctly configured. This could take a little time, so don't panic if it doesn't work instantly. You'll get a confirmation once the domain is successfully linked. After that, you'll need to set your custom domain as the primary domain for your store. This is the one your customers will see when they visit your site, so make sure it's the right one. You can do this in the same Domains section under Manage Domains. Just click Set as Primary and voila, your custom domain is now live. Now, let's talk about ShopWired's strengths and weaknesses. It's a solid platform for custom domain setup, but it's not the easiest for beginners, especially when it comes to managing DNS settings with third-party providers. It does give you flexibility, but if you're not tech-savvy, there might be a learning curve. Other platforms like Shopify make this process a bit simpler, but at a higher cost. On the other hand, platforms like BigCommerce also offer good custom domain features, but they may lack some of the advanced customization options ShopWired offers at a more affordable price. Before we wrap up, here's a quick heads up. While ShopWired does the job, there are alternatives you might want to consider if you're looking for even easier setups or more comprehensive features. These alternatives offer their own free trials, and I'll explain why they might be better for your e-commerce goals at the end of this video. So, here's the deal. If you want the best deal and extended free trial on ShopWired, you can access it through the link below. But don't forget, I've also shared some amazing alternatives that might be a better fit for your custom domain needs. These alternatives not only provide great features, but also have their own free trials for you to explore, and through our link, you get exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, check out the link for your exclusive trial and benefits, and explore the alternatives I've mentioned to make the best choice for your business.